Here's a brief overview of the Mansfield Summit that I unboxed. I just set it up just to give it an idea of what it will look like, and I must say, sharp looking toilet. It really looks nice. Well, I like the way the base is designed. I love the design of it overall. The glaze and the china seem like really, you can tell they're really, seem to be on the thick side and really good quality. Not of cheap quality, and everything seems to be well made and well done. Got this slow close seat, which I've yet to take out of the bag and put on the toilet. I may go with an open front seat. I don't know yet. This is the inside of the toilet. It almost looks like an Alto, kind of, but with a slightly larger trapway. And I'm really liking this toilet. I'm really impressed with it so far with the looks. Here's inside of the tank. We got a Fluidmaster fill valve. No more pilot valve. They apparently did away with it and partnered with Fluidmaster. Probably a smart thing anyway. Parts for this are easy to find, or easy to replace. This flapper. Take a look at this. The handle's metal. Trip lever's metal and well made. Look at this. Let me just pull this flapper up. It's got the floater on it. Look at that. It's a plastic frame flapper, and looks like there's kind of like, I don't know if you can see it from this angle, there's a red seal on it that I guess you twist that white piece to take it off and fix, replace it when it wears out. But yeah, this, like I said, there's your tank to bulkhead. Your Mansfield Model 387 tank, 1.28 gallons per flush. And UPC code 145. I don't know if this is a date code or not. So I'm guessing it was made in 2021. The one thing I don't get is why Fluidmaster redesigned this valve a few years ago, and they now use it with a gray rod and gray knob, to adjust the fill level. I don't know why on toilets that come equipped with Fluidmaster valves they haven't transferred. I wonder if these are like new old stock, or they're specifically making these still for, toilet manufacturers. Who knows? Not putting new valves in yet, or at all for that matter. But yeah, I'm happy with it so far. We'll see how it performs. That's where the whole proof of it is, and I'm really looking forward to putting this toilet in. Yep.